Meaning of dismal.
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 Dismal. The word dismal is an adjective used to describe something that is gloomy, depressing, or bleak. It suggests a feeling of sadness or despair. A dismal result would mean that the outcome was very unfavorable, disappointing, or even tragic. It may refer to a bad financial performance, a terrible sports game, a failed project, or a disappointing academic grade. Overall, the word dismal conveys a sense of hopelessness and disappointment, indicating that the situation is unlikely to improve anytime soon.